Hello, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to freeze a specific row or column. Now, one warning I do want to give you is if you merge a specific number of cells, you may affect the ability to actually freeze a row or a column. So that could happen, and I'll demonstrate that in a second. So first, let's say I want to freeze A, column A, so when I scroll to the right, I don't lose the student name on the left. Easily done. Just select A and go to the column A by clicking on A on the top of it, and go to View and go to Freeze, and this is where you can say up to current column A. Now that's helpful if you got to go all the way across to G, and let's say you want to freeze all the columns from G over to A. But that's just if you need to do that. Normally you can just say one column or two columns, and that'll work just fine. So I'll do up to current A, which is the same as one column. And now note that my column is frozen. So now if I go to the right, I don't lose the student name on the left. That's very helpful when you're looking at a lot of data horizontally, and you don't want to lose the student's name. Same thing for the top. What if I don't want to lose the test number? So if I scroll down, and yes, I can see student 12, and yes, I know this is test 1, but if I scroll over, well, I don't know if that's test 1 anymore, or if that's test 2 or 3. So the way to do that is go back up to the top, go down to row 2, go to View, Freeze, and you can say on the rows, 2 rows are up to current row 2. So now if I scroll down, I don't lose the test, and if I go to the right, I don't lose the student name. So that's how you can easily freeze a specific number of rows or columns. Now, something I want to show is I'm going to go to View. I'm not going to freeze any rows, and I'm not going to freeze any columns. If I merge these top two cells by highlighting them and going to the merge function here, now they're merged. Now if I go here and I say View, Freeze, column 1, it's going to say, sorry, you cannot freeze columns that contain only a part of a merged cell. So it either tells you to break apart the merged cell or freeze more columns so you include them. So if I go to B and then go to View, Freeze, up to column B, I'm fine now. So just keep in mind, if you merge two cells together, you're not going to be able to merge and split them apart. You're not going to be able to freeze and split apart the merged cells. You may run into that. I just wanted to show that to you. I hope this was helpful, and again, thank you for watching. This was just simply a tutorial on how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets.